Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share exactly how I would start learning digital marketing today if I had to begin from scratch. No shortcuts, no wasted time. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video will give you the roadmap to fast-track your success. If that sounds good, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more tips like this. All right. The very first thing I would do is choose one area to focus on. Digital marketing is massive. There are so many paths to take: SEO, paid ads, email marketing, social media, and more. But here's the deal. You can't master everything at once. Trying to learn it all will overwhelm you, and you'll end up being a jack of all trades and master of none. So pick one area. For me, I'd choose SEO, search engine optimization. Why? Because it's a foundational skill that applies to almost everything in digital marketing. If you can rank a page on Google, you can build traffic, authority, and ultimately profit. Once you've picked your area of focus, here's the next step. Learn in stages. Let's break it down. The first stage is understanding the basics. Don't skip this part. For SEO, this means understanding how search engines work, why they matter, and the core components of SEO like keyword research, on-page SEO, and backlinks. You'll find tons of free resources online. Websites like Moz, HubSpot Academy, and Google's own guides are fantastic starting points. Then comes stage 2, making connections. Once you understand the basics, start connecting the dots. SEO isn't just about writing keywords into your articles. It's about understanding how content, technical SEO, and backlinks all come together to help you rank higher. The better you understand how all the pieces fit together, the more effective your marketing strategy will be. And stage 3, practice. There's no substitute for hands-on experience. Now, the real magic happens when you start applying what you've learned. And I'm not talking about just reading or watching videos. I mean, build a website or blog. Start applying SEO to real-world content. Let's say you're learning SEO. Create a blog around a niche you're passionate about. It could be fitness, tech, or even digital marketing itself. Start writing, optimizing, and experimenting. Use free tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your progress and learn from the data. Here's a big tip. Avoid information overload. It's so easy to get lost in the noise. New videos, courses, blogs popping up every day. But trust me, you don't need to learn everything at once. Once you've gone through a solid beginner's course or two, cut yourself off from consuming new content. Instead, double down on executing what you've learned. Get into the trenches and start working on your own projects. Don't spend weeks fine-tuning your website's logo or layout. Focus on growing organic traffic and refining your skills. Once you've got the fundamentals, the tools, and the know-how, you'll begin to see results. Want to level up faster? Get real-world experience. I'm talking about internships or freelance gigs. If you can, try to get a job at a digital marketing agency. There's no faster way to learn than working on live projects with real clients. When you're in the trenches with more experienced marketers, you get exposure to different projects, challenges, and creative solutions. And the best part? You get to learn from people who've been doing it for years. Plus, you'll start building a network. Networking is crucial in digital marketing. Whether you're reaching out to people online, attending conferences, or joining Facebook groups, make it a habit to connect with others in the industry. As you gain experience, it's easy to get tempted by shortcuts. In my early days, I made the mistake of taking the fast route and buying backlinks to improve my SEO rankings. Let me tell you, it backfired. Big time. Shortcuts in digital marketing might seem tempting, but they're usually risky and unsustainable. Instead, focus on doing things the right way, even if it takes longer. Now, as you continue your journey, you'll reach a point where you need to decide what's next. Do you continue to expand your knowledge in one area, or do you branch out into others? That's up to you. Some people become specialists in one field, while others broaden their expertise to offer more services. Whatever path you take, remember this: consistency, focus, and real-world application will take you further than any hack or shortcut ever will. So to sum it up, choose your focus, learn the basics, practice consistently, Get real-world experience and build your network. Digital marketing is a journey, but with the right approach, you'll get there faster than you think. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what digital marketing topic you want to learn about next, and I'll see you in the next video.